This was a trip that was unforgettable.
It's beautiful, the people are very friendly, and it's been one of the best experiences we've ever had.
I was impressed, I was amazed, and I can't wait to see more from everybody in my crew. We're all family now.
It was just amazing seeing everybody on film. That's all.
It was really good. I was impressed. You guys did such a great job in editing these films. It just flowed. All these movies you guys had, it was just like from beginning to end, it was so nice, you know.
I really enjoyed watching all the people who have done movies here, all the actors, and I think all the short stories turned out really well.
Seeing the film from start to finish and seeing the little parts come together as a whole was absolutely amazing.
Oh my God, it was the most amazing. I know I keep saying this, but every time I just hit another plateau messing with Ken Feinberg and CSA Studios. I don't know what to say. I like to see the body of work before I talk about it, and after seeing it, that was one of the most amazing things I've seen.
The cast and the crew were always very helpful, very easy to work with, and made a team. As Ken says, it takes a team to make a dream.
It was a very great experience to be able to work with two directors and